How to add music on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the profile details. Okay, you can tap this. Here in about, scroll down and go to music section. Here in music section, you can see the add music button here. Okay, to add, you'll have to do tap this. And now here in music, so I have no music saved on my Facebook profile. Okay, to add, okay, you'll have to do tap the plus sign on the upper right side on your screen. And now here you can search or select from this option below the music. So okay, so for my example, I add one of my music. So sample is Beautiful Sunday. So if you want to add this, okay, you'll have to do tap the three dot on the right side of this, okay? And the pop-up below are show and tap the select Beautiful Day. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully add music on Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, can comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.